Why do so many hardworking people struggle financially, while others seem to build wealth effortlessly? It's not just about how much you earn, it's about what you know, and that is why financial literacy is crucial. Most of us are taught to go to school, get a job, and work hard, but no one teaches us how money actually works. Schools teach math, science, and history, but not how to manage debt, invest wisely, or build wealth. Without financial literacy, even a high salary won't save you from the rat race, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt. Robert Kiyosaki learned this lesson from his two dads, one who worked hard but stayed broke, and one who understood the power of money and became wealthy. The key lesson? The rich buy assets that make them money. The poor and middle class buy liabilities they think are assets. So the question is, at which path will you take? Start your journey to financial freedom today. Read, learn, and most importantly, take action. Drop it in the comments if you're ready to level up your financial literacy.